Shaun Emile is one of the stars expected to set the stadium alight over 200 meters next week Saturday inside the National Stadium at the Racers Grand Prix.
400-meter champion Shaun Emile is no stranger to competing on Jamaican soil. And come next Saturday, she is expected to face the starter over the half-lap event. Miller so far this season has won the 200 meters at the Commonwealth Games in 22.09 seconds. She has since followed up that success with a win at the Shanghai Diamond League meet, crossing the line in 22.06 seconds. The Bahamian spring queen has echoed her joy of running in Jamaica, given some of her better times were laid out inside the National Stadium. Miller is the meet record holder of the Racers Grand Prix event, having clocked 22.05 in the inaugural staging back in 2016. She has a personal best time of 21.88 seconds set in 2017. So we'll wait to see what the Bahamian queen serves up inside the stadium on June 9. TVJ and TVJ-SN will have live and exclusive coverage with extended radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.